This is the Aqara Smart Hub M3. This hub supports Aqara Zigbee and Thread devices. It supports up to 127 devices. It serves as an edge hub, prioritizing local control and automation. It works with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It comes with a wall mount and screws, so you're able to put and secure the hub on the wall if you want it elevated. And then here is the power cable. This is what the hub looks like. It's black, sleek, and compact. It has a square shape with rounded corners. This is how you put the wall mount onto the hub. It slides in on the back like so, and to take it off, you slide in the opposite direction. The power port is underneath in this slot here. After plugging the cable into the outlet, a light will turn on. I hold on the button to put it in network connection mode.
Ready to connect. Please open the Aqara Home app.
Here, I'm going to the App Store to download the Aqara Home app. Once downloaded, I create an account and then click Add Accessory. I click on the hub on the list of accessories. It asks for the QR code on the product itself, so I use the camera to scan that. You can also put in the code manually, and that's basically it.
The account is bound successfully. Welcome aboard.
Now I can control the hub on the app.